In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change your Google Workspace recommended plan. Whether you're looking to upgrade for more features or adjust your plan to fit your team's needs better, I'll guide you through the process step by step. Let's dive right in. First off, you'll need to head over to Google Workspace. It's here that everything starts. You can access it directly or through your Google services. Once you're there, you will be prompted to choose the Google account associated with your workspace. Make sure to select the correct account to proceed. After selecting your account, you'll be asked to enter your password. Security is key with Google, so this step ensures that only authorized users can make changes to the account. Type in your password carefully and proceed to the next step by clicking Next. Upon successful login, you'll notice the square dots icon at the top right corner of your screen. This is essentially your gateway to Google's universe of apps and services. Click on this icon to uncover a variety of options. Your next destination is the admin console. This is where the magic happens in terms of managing your Google Workspace. You can find the link directly in the video description or by navigating through the Google services. The admin console is your control room for all settings and adjustments needed for your workspace. Within the admin console, head over to the billing section. This is where you'll manage all billing related settings, including viewing your current plan and making changes to it. The interface is quite user-friendly, so you should find your way around easily. Now look for the subscriptions tab. This is where you'll see a list of all your subscriptions, including your current Google Workspace plan. It's important to review your current plan before making any changes to ensure you choose the right upgrade or downgrade option. Click on your current plan to see more details. You'll see various options related to your plan, including the option to change your payment plan. If you're considering changing your plan, this is where you'll initiate the process. Upon clicking Change Payment Plan, take a moment to review all the pricing details. Google Workspace offers a variety of plans designed to fit different needs and budgets, so it's crucial to understand the features and limitations of each plan before making a decision. When you're ready to proceed, the next step involves adding the total users for your chosen plan. This is an important factor as it affects the overall cost of your plan. Make sure to add the correct number of users to avoid any billing surprises. Finally, once you've reviewed all details and confirmed the total users, click on Checkout to finalize your plan change. Follow the prompts to complete the process, and voila, you've successfully changed your Google Workspace recommended plan. Changing your Google Workspace plan might seem complex at first, but by following these simple steps, you can ensure that your team has access to the tools and features they need to work effectively. Remember, it's always a good idea to review the features and benefits of different plans and consider your team's specific needs before making a change. And that's it, you're all set with your new Google Workspace plan. Thank you for following along, and I hope this guide has been helpful.